Now let's say a card is chosen at random by the spectator. The spectator then takes a look and remembers their chosen card. The card is then pushed in to the center of the deck, and using some mind reading abilities, you are able to name the spectator's selected card. What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be doing the revelation video. The video to reveal the mind reading card trick. And of course, if you haven't seen the performance yet, I'll put the link on the screen, description, go make sure and check that out. And that being said, let's do it. So hopefully you guys have seen the performance by now, so let's actually just get into breaking down how this trick is done. Now to start off this trick, I give the deck a dribble for the spectator to select a card. Let's just say they stop right here at the Jack of Diamonds. So from here, what I actually do in my performance is I'm supposed to be taking that card and leaving it sticking out. But what's going on in actuality is I'm doing the Kelly bottom placement. So from here, I grip the card like this, take these 3 fingers here, clip onto the card, and slide that card over. So you're actually going to take the card that's right above the spectator selected card. So from a hidden view, it just looks like this, and you're taking this card right here. When in actuality, it again is not the spectator's card. So again, here we are, give the deck a dribble, have the spectator take a look at this card. In this case, it's the 3 of clubs. Do the Kelly bottom placement, shift that out. We're gonna pull this card, pull that out, so the spectator's focus is here and not what's actually going on underneath the entire deck. Push that all together, and now you have the spectator selected card on the bottom of the deck with an arbitrary card that's right there. So from here, you just have them push the card in. Again, the more that the spectator does, the more powerful the effect will be. And now that you have the card pushed in, you're actually just going to take a peek at the bottom card of the deck, which again is the spectator selected card. And you're pretty much all set to go from here. Now the way that I actually like to do the prediction effect is narrow down the spectator's card. So I start with having them think of the color that the card is, usually red or black. Then I go deeper into the suit of the card. If it's black, either a spade or a club. And then while I'm actually doing this, I give the deck an overhand shuffle. So this way, I get that bottom card and control it right to the top of the deck. And of course, if I'm doing this while I'm trying to read the spectator's mind, they're not even going to look at how you're shuffling the deck. So you control the spectator's card right to the top of the deck. And then by the time you ask them, think of the value of your card, and you guess that it's a 3, so the card is 3 of clubs, you can just take the top card, put it on the table, have them flip it over, and they'll see their selected card. Now if you guys like this card trick and want to see more card tricks, go make sure and check out that video, and if not, then go out and add some magic into people's day. Peace out.